Hello everyone, I am Civil Engineer Bivas. Today we explore the construction journey of a suspension bridge, from site investigation to its final opening. Let us see how engineering transforms a challenging river crossing.
Every bridge project begins with a need. Engineers study traffic demand, economic benefits, travel time reduction, and regional connectivity. When a river or valley...
The first engineering activity is a detailed topographic survey. Ground levels, river width, terrain conditions, and alignment data are collected to help determine the bridge location and...
Next comes geotechnical investigation. Boreholes are drilled to determine soil and rock properties. Foundation design depends heavily on these findings. Testing follows relevant Indian standards.
Structural engineers now calculate dead loads, live loads, wind forces. They also calculate seismic effects and temperature variations. Design principles are developed for this project.
Before construction begins, environmental studies are conducted. These assessments ensure the project minimizes its footprint. Government approvals and permits are then meticulously obtained.
After approval, the site is mobilized. Construction equipment, cranes, temporary offices, workshops, and material storage facilities are established. Access roads.
The bridge foundations transfer enormous loads into the ground. Depending on soil conditions, engineers may use open foundations, pile foundations, or caissons. Concrete.
At both ends of the bridge, large anchorage blocks are constructed. These structures resist the tremendous tension forces generated by the main suspension cables. The bridge towers are built next. They support the main cables and transfer loads to the foundations. Tower alignment is continuously monitored because even small deviations can...
Once towers are completed, temporary catwalks are installed across the span. These catwalks provide safe access for workers and equipment during cable erection.
The main suspension cables are now erected. Thousands of high-strength steel wires are bundled together to form the final cable system. Cable alignment and...
After installation, the cables are compacted, wrapped, and protected against corrosion. Engineers perform detailed inspections to verify. Vertical hanger cables are connected to the main cables. They are also called suspenders. These hangers transfer the deck loads upward. They go right into the suspension system. Their spacing and...
Bridge deck segments are manufactured under controlled factory conditions. Welding quality, dimensional accuracy, and material testing follow relevant...
The deck segments are transported to the site and lifted into place using cranes or strand jacking systems. Segment by segment, the bridge deck takes...
With the deck assembled, engineers verify final alignment. Expansion joints, bearings, drainage systems, crash barriers, lighting, and road...
Before opening, the bridge undergoes extensive testing. Controlled load tests evaluate deflection, vibration, and structural behavior. Engineers compare actual...
After successful testing, detailed inspect reports are reviewed. Authorities verify compliance with design requirements. This covers construction quality standards and safety regulations.
The bridge is now officially open to traffic. What began as surveys, calculations, foundations, towers and cables has become a vital everyday. I am Civil Engineer Bivas. Thank you for watching this engineering journey. Please like, share, and insights.